guys, James in Vegas here. We are in a taxi cab and we are heading to the airport here in Cebu to go to Bacolod and then eventually Pang to go visit her mom. And we are finally going to have our feast of Sue. We're going to roast Sue on Sunday, but today's Friday. We're going to just fly over there. And this is Ria's first trip on an airplane, so I think she's excited. Are you nervous? You're a little nervous? So anyway, we're going to document our little trip here. But this is us heading to the airport, so once we get to the airport, hopefully everything will go smooth. All right, so we're finally at the airport. Actually, it didn't take very long, and the rain stopped, so that's good. But let's see, baby. Let's see how this goes. Domestic flight to another island. All right, so we made it through check-in and we made it through security, no problem. And now it's time to find the restroom because, yeah, let's go. And we have about 2 hours to spend, so we're probably going to get a coffee and pastry and get ready for our flight. All right, we're starting to board now, so this is going to be our first trip. Hi, baby. I've never seen this, where you have to take a bus. Baby. So we're going to be on this side. Yeah. And the bags we're going to put under our seat in front of us. Good morning. Always on her phone. So how do you feel?
I love you, Daddy.
How do you feel, baby? First time.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Hey! How was the flight, baby? Were you scared? No? The breeze is nice here. It's warm, but the breeze is good. So this is the countryside near Bacolod and Negros. Occidental. A lot of sugarcane fields. This is what I've been waiting for. Are you excited to see your family again? So we just checked into the hotel. We're staying at the Acacia. And I think, Rhea, do you like it, baby? It's nice, huh? It's the lobby and the bar. So we're up on the 4th floor now, about to check into our room. So let's see what it looks like. So far, it looks pretty nice. I kind of like this place. The bar is right at the elevator, which is smart. That way I don't have to walk very far to get to it. There's stairs. Won't be using those. 420, 419, so I think we're on the end over here. Oh, this side. 421. All right. Open the door. Oh, the door's very heavy. Wow. What do you think, baby? Here's the CR, or the toilet. I don't see a water heater, but I hope they have hot water. And I don't see toilet paper. Oh, there's some toilet paper, but I did bring my own because I heard other YouTubers talk about needing toilet paper at different places. Have a little desk. Don't think we have a view though. The bed, the aircon. Oh yeah, it's not bad. A view of the port area and the waterfront area. Wow, okay. Open this one, see what we have over here. Oh, the other way, baby. You like this one? Wow. Okay, we got a pretty decent view, so looks like emergency exit there, the fire stairs. So yeah, all in all, I'm pretty happy with the room. I don't remember how much it cost, but I don't remember how much it cost. Do you remember what I told you?
I don't know.
But all in all, I mean, it's a pretty good room. I'm impressed with it. We got charging stations next to the bed, looks like. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised. I was expecting worse, but turns out it's pretty good. Well, thank you for the aircon. But yeah, if you come to Bacolod, definitely take a look at the Acacia Hotel. I booked it on booking.com, and I think it was only a couple of $100 for 4 nights, right baby? 4 nights? Yeah, I think it was, I want to say 200 something maybe. I don't remember. And also be ready. They do ask for a 2,000 peso like deposit once you arrive in cash, and then they give you a receipt. So when you check out, you can reclaim your 2,000 pesos. So be prepared for that if you do decide to stay at the Acacia in Bacolod. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon, huh, baby? Yeah, tell them bye. Tell them bye.
Bye.